we'll read about this topic, International Labour Organization. If you look at the Labour Administration, then also I must have mentioned the name of ILO, because at an international level, ILO is the one that comes up with conventions or recommendations or guidelines regarding the labour welfare. In particular, it talks about labour welfare, but it also gives recommendations regarding human welfare as a whole. Yesterday, we studied the historical evolution part. Even then, we told that 1919 ILO is formed. It is a tripartite body, and the government has sent N.M. Joshi as a representative without consulting the other unions or employee organization. That led to the formation of AITUC. So, another, if you look at the POSH Act, they filed a case in the NGO and Vishaka together filed a case in the Supreme Court, right? Writ petition. There also they mentioned a point which is CEDAW. If you remember, this is an ILO convention. Vishaka Act challenged certain provisions of constitution, and they also challenged this convention because India ratified this convention. This is Convention on Elimination of Discrimination Against Women, all kinds of discrimination against women. So these are the 3 points where we previously studied about this ILO. Now we'll study about ILO as an organization in complete detail. So when it is founded, it was founded in 1919 under the Treaty of Versailles. So it was formed immediately after the World War I. So World War I, we have already seen that there is an inflation, rise in prices, which led to the demand of wage hike, not only in India, but also across the world. There were also parallelly many labor problems that were associated with World War I. So they felt a need to form an international organization to discuss the labor problems and come up with solutions. That is the reason ILO was formed in 1919. This was the first UN specialized agency in 1946. You know, right, UN will have many specialized agencies. Mainly in environment, you will read many bodies which are UN specialized agency. But this was the first such specialized agency. It became this UN specialized agency in 1946. Headquarters, Geneva, Switzerland. The motto, this was very important. Labor is not a commodity. Okay. So, labor are also humans. They are not just non-living things. Okay. They also have feelings. We should also respect and give dignity to the work they are doing. So, this is in sync with basically what approaches we read. Human relations approach or psychological approach or sociological approach. All these three also say more or less say the same. Labor is not just an object. We should look beyond labor as just means of factors of production.